Eastwood.
Wizdome, what up? Let me talk about shit. We've been tired of the fakeness, tired of laying in patience. Hope went from virtue to hatred. Forced us with break, that's the course that they taking. We tried peace, but it got lost in translation, so fuck that. It's no smiling, it's buck back. We through crying till it's proof you want your trust back. I'm talking tears of joy, we want shares in soil. We want land to repair turmoil. Let us govern ourselves, defund the whole government. Scum set up slums, the same ones that we suffered in. Every time we rise, the pain comes, had enough of it. Now when rain comes, we drink of it, don't run from it. Can't umbrella our pride, we benevolent wise. We repel any devil disguise, we bull. God's gods, it's 7's society. Strive hard till we get back our dynasty. Go, 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 go.
Yo, I'm at the jewelry store trying to style up my ice, wondering what's the dollar value of life. Hey yo, Lord, it's only violence in sight. Provider, we riding the night. You can't slip on the clock's time. I'ma watch you and you watch mine. Why these white devils rob us both blind, and we fall victim to a devilish design. Rebellious mind, why I did crime. Does freedom look like a free mind, and laws that apply equally to every kind? You can't reform the devil. You think he like you? Why you think he move is spiteful? Even though I taught him how to read and write, though. You wanna go to war? I throw, then I'm blow. Sincerely, true and living, it's me, of course. Shine like the Phoenix Force. Was built to destroy. The fear was planted in you since a little boy. Little boy, God. Fear was planted in you since a little boy.
Economically dangerous, 10 toes to the pavement. Marching in the streets that our blood already tainted. 40 acres and a mule, we still await the payment. In order to be equal inclusion, we just shooting our way in. Long way from the way in, slaves sold to till ground, where the remains of my ancestors still found. It was real then, still real now. We got races killing on their own free will now. I marched once, I never marched twice. I kill or be killed in the name of black lives. Got sons, my daughters need a chance to survive in a world where niggas don't matter. That's right, that's white. So it's unrest, black skin, one vest, two guns, all in the name of one flesh. Black men act like you gotta protect what's ours. Overcame everything. What's next?
What you willing to do? The cloth is like, you know, in my way of saying, like the realest talk ever, like the holy grail, like this is it. This is, I mean, this is, you know, 100% it. You know what I'm saying? The cloth, the finest, the greatest, and you know, not everybody can talk cloth. You know what I'm saying? And you know, we had cloth talk.